Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 1090. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Conga 1090 won't start at all, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises from a faulty power supply or internal component failure. If left unrepaired, it could lead to further damage, increasing repair costs and rendering your device unusable. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools and materials, including a screwdriver set, a multimeter, some replacement parts, and possibly a pair of tweezers. To begin the repair, ensure you have your work area clear and static-free. Start by safely opening the device. Look for the screws at the back of the Conga 1090 and use the appropriate screwdriver to remove them. Be careful to keep the screws in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Inside, locate the power supply unit, which is usually near the battery. You may need to consult a schematic or guide to find it easily. Once you've identified the faulty component, carefully disconnect any cables attached to it. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After disconnecting the cables, you can remove the faulty component by unscrewing it from its mount. When replacing it, ensure you use the same type of screws and apply the right amount of force to avoid stripping them. Once the new component is in place, reconnect the cables, ensuring they are secure but not overly tight, as this could damage the connectors. Now, close the device carefully, ensuring all clips are engaged and the casing is aligned properly. Finally, power on your Conga 1090 to verify that it works. If it starts up successfully, congratulations! You've completed the repair. To help prevent this problem from recurring, make sure to regularly clean the device and keep it in a safe, dry place. Avoid overcharging and ensure the battery is in good condition. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.